The Galphi 3-channel dash cam offers comprehensive coverage with its 3 cameras, capturing high-resolution footage from the front, rear, and inside of your car. Equipped with advanced Sony IMX sensors, this dash cam ensures clear and detailed video quality even in low-light conditions, thanks to its super night vision capabilities. The built-in Wi-Fi feature allows you to easily connect to a smartphone app, enabling live streaming, video playback, and effortless sharing of your journey. With its 24-hour parking mode, this dashcam provides round-the-clock surveillance, capturing any suspicious activity around your vehicle when it is parked. The sleek and discreet design of the dashcam ensures that it does not obstruct your view while driving, and it features voice notifications for status updates. Including a 64GB SD card and an extra charging port, the dashcam is ready for immediate use and allows you to charge other devices simultaneously.